Good morning all. I Razia Pathan from Gnan Manju Vidyapith, Standard 5th. Subject Maths. Unit number 2. Worksheet number 6. Worksheet number 6. So students, in that worksheet, we have to complete it question number first. In that sums, we have to complete it sum number A to F sums. We have to complete it. Now we'll start G1 sum. So question is 3816 divided by 85. So we have to start the division. First of all, we have to find the divisor. Divisor is 85. Divide number is equal to 3816. We have to find the remainder quotient. Both the things we have to find. So here we have to write the quotient, that is equal to, and here we have to write the remainder. Now students, so in this sums, let's start the sums. We have to write a 3816 into 85. 3816 into 85. So we have to write the first of all 85 tables. 85 ones are 85. 85 twos are 2 5s are 10. So we have to write here 0. 1 is a carryover. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 8 then 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 1 17. We have to write here 17. Then 18 threes are. Students, now look at here. 3816 divided by 85 is there. So if we are taking the 2-digit number 38, so division is not possible. So we will take the 3-digit number 381. 381 will take. So in that sums, we have to do the multiplication. Still will get the 381. Okay. So 3 5s are 15. We have to write here 5. 1 is a carryover. 3 8s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 18 4s are 8 5s are 20. 8 5s are 8. 4 5s are 20. We have to write here 0. 2 is a carryover. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2 34. So we have to write here 40. 340. 8 5s are 5 5s are 55. 25. We have to write here 5. 2 is a carryover. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2 42. Answer is 425. So 8 5s are 425 is a bigger number than the 381. So we have to take here 314. 85 4s are 85 4s are 340. 1 minus 0 1. 8 minus 4. 8 on your mind. 8 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Cut 4. 1 2 3 4. Remaining number is a 4. 3 minus 3. 3 on your finger. Cut 3. 1 2 and 3. So 3 minus 3, answer is 0. Now 41. 41 is a smaller number than 85. So we'll bringing down here 6. So next number is a 416. Now students, look at here. 85 5s are 425. 25 is a bigger number than the 416. So we'll take here 340. 85 4s are 340. 6 minus 0, 6. 1 minus 4 is not possible. Cut 4, write there 3. Cut 1, write here 11. 11 minus 4. 11 on your mind, 11 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cut 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So remaining number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write here 7. 3 minus 3. 3 on your finger. Cut 3, 1, 2 and 3. So remaining number is here 0. So quotient is equal to 44 and remainder is equal to 76. So here answer D. Answer is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to 85 into 44 plus 76. So we'll get the answer will 3816 is equal to 85 into 44, 76. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we will start next sum. So we will start H1 sum. 6086 divided by 72. So we have to find the first divisor. Divisor is equal to 72. Dividing number is equal to 6086. Quotient is equal to dash and remainder is equal to dash result. Now we'll start the sums first here. 6086 divided by 72. So students, 72. So here if we are taking here 2-digit number, then 16 is there. So 16 is a smaller number than the 72. So what we have to do? We have to do the here 3-digit numbers will take. So 3-digit number is a 608 is there. So we have to do right here 72 stable, 72 ones are 72, 72 twos are 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14. So answer is 144. 73s are 3 twos are 6. 3 sevens are 21. 73s are 4s are 4 twos are 8. 7 fours are 28. 72 fives are 5 twos are 10. Right, 1 is a carryover. 7 fives are 35. 35 plus 1 37. 76 are 6 twos are 12. 1 is a carryover. 6 fours are 42. 42 plus 1 43. 77s are 7 twos are 40. 1 is a carryover. 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 1 50. 78s are 8 twos are 16. 1 is a carryover. 7 eights are 56. 56 plus 1 57. 72 nines are 9 twos are 80. 1 is a carryover. 79s are 63. 63 plus 1 60. 4 is there. So 64, 48 is a bigger number than the 608. So we'll take here 72 eights are 576. 72 eights are 576. So in that, students, eight minus 6, 8 on your finger, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Cut 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Remaining number is a 2. 0 minus 7, not possible. Will cut 6, right there 5. Cut 0, right here 10. 10 minus 7, 10 on your finger, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Cut 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So remaining number is a 1 2 and 3. So we have to write here 3. 5 minus 5, 0. Now 32 is a smaller number than the 72. We'll bringing down here 6. So next number is a 326 is there. So now, students, 72 threes are 260. 72 fours are 288. 72 fives are 317. So we'll take this number. 72 fours are 288 is there. 6 minus 8 is not possible. Cut 2, right here 1. Cut 6, right here 16. 16 minus 8, 16 on your finger, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 30 40 50 60. Cut 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So remaining number is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have to write here 8. 1 minus 8 is not possible. Cut 3, right there 2. Cut 1, right here 11. 11 minus 8, 11 on your finger, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Cut 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So remaining number is a 1 2 and 3. So we have to write here 3. 2 minus 2, 2 on your finger, cut 2 1 and 2. So remaining number is a 0. So answer divide is equal to divisor into quotient is 84, remainder is a 38. Quotient plus remainder. So answer is 84, sorry, 72 multiplied by 84 plus 38. So now students, I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. I hope so students, your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. I1 sum. So students, in that sums we have to write here 1081 divided by 61. So first of all we have to find the divisor, is equal to 61, then the divine number is equal to 1681. We have to find the quotient and remainder. Now we'll start the sums. 1681 divided by 61. Now students, if we are taking here 2-digit number, so division is not possible, so we'll take the 3-digit number. 168 is there, so here we have to write the 61 table. 61 ones are 61, 61 twos are 2 twos are 4, 6 twos are 12, 60 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 61 threes are 3 ones are 3, 6 threes are 80. Then 61 fours are 4 ones are 4, 6 fours are 24. So we have to write here 244. So students, here is a 168 is our first starting division number. So 61 6 are 61 6 are 61, 61 2s are 122, 61 3s are 183. So 183 is a bigger number than the 168, so we have to take here 122. 61 2s are 122 is there. 8 minus 2, 8 on your finger, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Cut to 1 and 2, so remaining number is a 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We have to write here 6. 6 minus 4 2, 6 on your finger, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Cut to 1 and 2, remaining number is a 1 2 3 and 4. We have to write here 4. 1 minus 1 0. Now our next number is 46. So 46 is a smaller number than the 61, so we have to bringing down here 1. So our next number is a 461 is there. 461 is there. So now students, 61 fours are 244, so division is not possible. 61 fives are 5 ones are 5, 6 fives are 30, 61 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. So our next number is a 361. 61 sevens are 7 ones are 7, 7 4s are 7 6 are 42. Answer is 427. 61 8s are 8 1s are 8, 8 7s are 8 6s are 48. So students, 448 is a bigger number. 488 is a bigger number than the 461. So we'll take the 61 7s are 427. 61 7s are 427. 1 minus 7 is not possible. We'll cut 6, write there 5. We'll cut here 1, write here 11. 11 minus 7, 11 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 minus 7, we have to cut the 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So answer is 1 2 3 and 4. We have to write here 4. 5 minus 2, 5 on your finger, cut to 1 and 2. Remain number is a 1 2 and 3. So we have to write here 3. 4 minus 4, 0. So quotient is equal to 27 and remainder is a 34 is there. So answer is equal to divine number divided is equal to divisor plus divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Plus remainder. So here we have to write the 1681 is equal to 61 into 27 plus 34. This is the answer. Now students, I'll give you a 1 minute. So you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the remain sum number K2P sums. You have to complete it and send it to me that sums before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. Your homework timing is before 1:30, so you have to complete your work and send it to me homework before 1:30. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.